the clothes, wash the clothes, wash the clothes. This is the way we wash the clothes early on Monday morning. This is the way we rinse the clothes, rinse the clothes, rinse the clothes. This is the way we rinse the clothes early on Tuesday morning. This is the way we wring out the clothes, wring out the clothes, wring out the clothes. This is the way we wring out the clothes early on Wednesday morning. This is the way we hang out the clothes, hang out the clothes, hang out the clothes. This is the way we hang out the clothes early on Thursday morning. This is the way we mend the clothes, mend the clothes, mend the clothes. This is the way we mend the clothes early on Friday morning. This is the way we iron the clothes, iron the clothes, iron the clothes. This is the way we iron the clothes early on Saturday morning. This is the way we wear the clothes, wear the clothes, wear the clothes. This is the way we wear the clothes early on Sunday morning.
My word, you do look smart, don't they? I think it was worth it, all that hard work. Well, there was a family who worked hard all through the week doing washing and ironing, and they worked in a laundry in Mrs. Lathers' laundry. And in Mrs. Lathers' laundry, some days were worse than others. Monday was a bad day in Mrs. Lathers' laundry. Mr. Lather was having trouble with the ironing. Miss Lather and Master Lather were having a tug of war with the washing. Mrs. Lather was going crazy. "Oh, if I wash one more sock, I will go off my head," she said. "I'm sick of socks. I hate them." After that, Mr. Lather put a notice in the laundry window. It said, "We wash anything except socks." Tuesday was another bad day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Mr. Lather was having trouble with a sheet. The children were playing hide and seek in the washing. Mrs. Lather was going crazy again. "Oh, if I wash one more vest, I will go off my head," she said. "I'm sick of vests. I hate them." After that, Mr. Lather put another notice in the window. It said, "We wash anything except socks and vests." Then Mrs. Lather said, "And no pairs of pants either. Or shirts, or dresses, or tablecloths, or hankies. I'm sick of all of them. I hate them." After that, the children put a notice in the window. It said, "We wash anything except laundry." Wednesday was a quiet day in Mrs. Lather's laundry, but Thursday was a surprising day. First, a customer came in with a baby. "We do not wash baby clothes," said Mrs. Lather. "I do not want you to wash his clothes," said the customer. "I want you to wash him." "Oh," said Mrs. Lather. and she washed the baby. After that, more customers came in with their babies. There were old customers and young customers. There was a big customer with a little baby. There was a little customer with a big baby. And there were lots more customers besides. At first, Mrs. Lather washed the babies and was very happy. "I like babies," she said. "I love them." But by the end of the day, she was sick of them. And a notice in the window said, "We wash anything except laundry and babies." Friday was another surprising day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. A customer came in with a baby and a dog. "We do not wash babies," said Mrs. Lather.
I don't want you to wash the baby.
Said the customer.
I want you to wash the dog.
"Oh," said Mrs. Lather. And she washed the dog. After that, more customers came with their dogs. There were big dogs and little dogs. Long dogs and short dogs. Happy dogs and sad dogs. And lots more besides. At first, Mrs. Lather washed the dogs. Then she got sick of them, and Mr. Lather washed them. Then he got sick of them, and the children washed them. By the end of the day, the notice in the window said, "We wash anything except laundry, babies, and dogs." Saturday was the worst day of all in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Mrs. Lather washed a tramp, a car, and an elephant. The elephant was from a circus. Mr. Lather and the children washed the elephant too. When they got sick of it, the elephant